Hey everyone, this is our conversion group sprint release video for June 16th. Um, I'm going to start it off with Jess and then we can kind of popcorn from there.
Sorry,
Sorry
I
to
had
put
to
you on the
find
spot.
had to
Yeah.
find that mute button. I think the only thing officially closed out for me with this sprint was the type stack update. But I've got a lot of things kind of in motion right now between A/B testing the campuses page and working on the wide ultimate, wide premium and ultimate pages. There's yeah, a lot of stuff just kind of still up in the air, kind of juggling a few things. Let me pop it over to Tyler.
Hey, yeah, my big ticket item was we got the namespace ID, or we have a namespace ID that matches the snowplow standard shared context in the enhanced e-commerce data that's coming to Google Analytics. So that's super exciting. Dennis can now join those transactions with snowplow data in a really consistent way. I haven't finished this yet, but fortunately, going through that exercise also sort of surfaced how we can make that available at a top level in the data layer too for other applications. So I'll be picking that up next iteration, but it should be really fast, and a lot of that work will be sort of duplicative and instructive. Other than that, I cleaned up a couple. There was like some outstanding stuff from the release post process that they wanted to clean up, so I did that, and then I did a lot of just like troubleshooting here and there on like animation stuff, calculator stuff, blog stuff, and what's the other big conversation? Oh, some tab order things. So I was just sort of like hopping around, helping people out for a lot of this. So yeah, I think that's it. Do you have any other structured order, or if not, I can just popcorn to Gabby.
Yay! So this sprint I did finish the one I was trying not to underestimate, which is this white GitLab animation. I can share it. I'm very proud of it. It looks so pretty. It's on the scroll, and those small pieces come up. And I was working with the Jess and Gem 3, and I think I got a lot of help with this one because I was not sure how to approach it the best way. And I guess we're gonna iterate over it at some point, but I'm very happy with it. And yeah, that would be me for this sprint. Megan?
Cool. Yeah. Started the iteration off with closing out. I think there's 12-ish solution pages that needed to be removed. So remove those. Remove the what is GitLab page and redirected that to the why GitLab page. There was a bug with on Safari. Some of our like tooltip, like information icons were getting cut off, so I fixed that. But the real meat of the work this sprint was the why GitLab. The ROI calculator. So I'll share that here. Thank you so much to Jess and Tyler for our collaboration on this. So first the calculator landing page, a button's removed there, and then the new page, just this new calculator. Feel free to try it out. If you enter, I think these two amounts here, it'll go to ultimate, or it should, or it'll go to premium, or if you're not saving enough, it'll go to a different like default result page. So I think this is a great first iteration of this calculator. That's all I have. Dennis, did you want to share anything?
Sure. I think this sprint, so the Zoom info thing did not go through, unfortunately, which sucks because that's like a year in the making, and it just didn't pass legal. And then working on GA4 stuff, still trucking away with that. I'm going to provide the data layer for e-commerce to Tyler, hopefully by end of this week. And then that way you can work on it during your next sprint. Provided some analysis around search tool, hoping to do some A/B testing around that maybe next quarter. The gist of it is that people are using it for, they're searching internal like namespaces or repos instead of like marketing topics. What else? We're going to expand the post analysis from the redesign out to all the way to July, because that's when our group conversation is. And yeah, so just that's coming up. It's just a lot of stuff, random stuff. I'll just leave it at that. Back to Justin.
All right. I think that's probably good for now. Unless Felzo, you have anything you want to bring up?